Hey, what's up, guys? Do you ever have those days that you just wish you'd never answered the phone, you just stayed home? Yeah, well, I've been having one of those weeks, it seems like. Look at there, what I got today. I hate with capital letters, extreme hate, steel drains. Why? Because they do this crap right here to you. They rust from the inside out. And I have literally touched these things and have them crumble in my hands. So today I get a call from the landlady. She's got a tenant who's took the door off the bedroom to get the old desk out and put a new desk in, but couldn't put the door back on for some reason. So anyway, she wanted me to put the door back on. I get on and the tenant goes, "Oh, by the way, my daughter's probably stopped up the bathroom sink again. Could you do that?" Well, I go in. I get this connection broke. I get this connection over here broke, but not this one. This one right here. This one right here is a booger. And I know what's going to happen already, because this drain's probably from the 60s. And try as I might, I'm careful as a field mouse, but thing cracks right through there. And so, I'm trying to get it off and it cracks, and I thought, crap. I knew it was going to happen. So, let's see. This side, I got about 4 or 5, maybe 6 bobby pins out of this, and a cap from toothpaste, and some other stuff that was not even recognizable. So, trying to break this open. I got to see what's in this. Okay, that's just, look at the stuff. Really? Seriously? That's a plastic fork or a spoon. What any... Really? Look at this. What? Because cellophane. Why is cellophane down a bathroom sink? I don't know. This is crazy. This is crazy. Ah, that was a spoon. What's left of it? Okay, tell me what are you doing? Hey, standing over a bathroom sink drain with the spoon, and you drop it, and what do you say? Oh well, it'll come out sometime. Look at, what is that? What the hell is that? Oh, that's a, I don't know, what is that? That's a cashew or something. I'm gonna seed, man, good grief. Uh-oh. I don't know what that is. That's a plastic lid or something. Label off something. Hair, obviously. I don't know what that is either. Oh. Come out of there. I see you in there. This is just crazy. This is why some days you just like, another toothpaste cap. I guess that's the bonus cap. And as you can see, this still, looks like a dead mouse. Okay, that's one of those things that come, socks and stuff. No, well, so anyway, I had to replace that. The flooring that I installed last fall is buckling. Well, we don't know what's wrong with that. So I go outside looking at crawl space. There's water running down. Pretty good stream of it. I don't know what this other stuff is. That might be a hair tie like thing. So I go back inside, and they've got a pretty sizable leak on the hot water side. And obviously they knew it was there because there was nothing under the sink. And so it'd been running down to the floor, under the flooring, into the wood, rotting the floor out. So guess who gets to rip his new flooring up that was just not even 6 months old and redo it after he fixes the floor? Hey, thank y'all for being with me on this rant. I hate drains, and some days I just should stay home, right? Like and subscribe. Hey, put us on a playlist. Click the bell icon down there. I appreciate it. Let me know some of your horror stories, some of the stuff that y'all go through. Do you have days like this? Do you just have days where you wish you hadn't touched anything, you'd stayed in bed, watched TV, pigged out, and just stayed safely home? All right, Donald, Blue Collar DIY. Don't forget to check out the blog at bluecollardiy.com. I'm out of here.